Hello guys, I'm Afro from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my Go Traffic review. As you can see, we are here at the dashboard of Go Traffic. Go Traffic is a all-in-one AI based social media marketing platform where you can manage all of your and your clients social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, all of the platforms, and on your one click each post is published all of your social media platforms. And the best part is it's 365 days project. In this section you will get ready to use done for you content with image templates for 360 days. So we will go through all the features of the software, but if you find it interesting, then please stick with me in this video because I'm going to reveal all of my bonuses and some exclusive vendor bonuses also. So let's get started. So as you can see, here is the dashboard, and here you can click and find the tutorials of the software. Okay, so this is the workspace of the software. So in this workspace you will manage all of your work in one go. Okay, you can create your own workspace here. You can see some workspace is already created, so I just create my one workspace here. Let's see. Okay, so you have to give your workspace name, so I just put my name here, and you have to select a time zone. I just put a random time zone. Okay, so after that go to save, and in this workspace you can add as many projects as you want. Okay, so here you can see my project, my workspace is ready. So let's see. Here you can see my workspace is ready, so I can edit it, I can view the projects of it, I can email notifications, add email notifications here. Okay, manage hashtags, manage caption, I can manage the captions. So let's get to view project. So I'll add as many project I can. Okay, so you can create you can click the manage project here, and you also add project in this workspace, but I can create my project in this my project section also. So I just create a project here. You have to give a name of this of your project. Okay, so like group post. Okay, group up the project name, and you can give the description. Okay, so I love the project here. So save, and now you can select every photo or text. Here you can see, you can edit it, you can manage the post. So every project you can add as many posts as you want. So here you can see I can add create post here. So I have to give a name like March 25th project it is. Okay, so my project is ready. Okay, so as you can see, my project March project is ready, March 25th project. Okay, so I have to give a title here, I have to give a post type. So post type is, you can add your image, you can add your text with image also, you can add videos, you can add only simple text. Okay, text with videos. Okay, so I just put image. You can see how it's work. So in this image section you can add your own image, you can schedule the post here. Okay, you can schedule it right now, you can schedule it as you want. Okay, so you can select some like for Twitter, for in LinkedIn, for Tumblr, for Reddit, anything you want. Okay, so let's see. And you can see the preview here, so how it's look like, how it's look on your Twitter, how it's look on LinkedIn, how it's look on Tumblr. Here you can see the preview section. Okay, in the 365 project section you can find done for you projects for 365 days. So here you can see my March project is ready, so I can view it, I can edit the project also. So I can edit it, like I can select the workspace. Okay, so I just select workspace 1, my project name, so group up this project. Okay, So I didn't connect my Facebook and my social media platforms, so there is no connection here. So I can connect it here. Okay, so here you can select which platform do you want to post your group up project. So this is ready, and after that go to save. So this is successfully saved. Okay, so here you can see the March 24th post is look like. So it is look like the right treatment at the right time. This is the caption. I can edit this caption. I can edit the image. Okay, so I can edit the title here also. Okay, so this is it. This is how it's work. Okay, so let's get to the project section. I can see everyday projects, and everyday projects I can schedule it also. So in the integration section you can integrate SMTP, you can integrate your social media platforms here. You can integrate SMTP, you can add Pixabay, which is the royalty free image and video platform. Okay, here you can get image editor, where you can edit your image, where you can create your own image. Okay, so let's see, let's create an image. I have to give a name, like give it my name. I have to choose the workspace. Okay, from where you have to choose your workspace every time, because workspace is very essential here. So here you can see the niche. Okay, so the niche I can choose health and fitness. Okay, category here. Okay, let's see. So there are pre-made templates, so you can use these templates and edit it, or you can create your own image here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see Twitter templates, LinkedIn templates, Reddit templates, Tumblr templates, or you can use blank templates also to create your own image. Okay, so this is the Twitter templates. These are the Twitter templates. It is loading. Wait. So here you can see the Twitter templates. Okay, so this is it. You can use your own blank templates also. In the analytics section you will see how it's work on various social media platforms. These are the stat or statistics. Okay, here you can see media post, scheduled title type, create scheduled status. Okay, so you have to select your own workspace. You have to select your projects here. Okay, you can add various clients in this platform with upgradation. We will go through the price section also. So let's get to see the bonuses which I pick for you. So my bonus page is this one. So you will find this link in the description. You have to go to the description, and the first link will be this bonus page link. So this all of the bonuses are only for 5 days. So please as soon as take action as soon as possible. So here you can see all in one social media marketing suite in one place. So let's get to see the bonuses here. So the first bonus is Facebook marketing secret. You will get all the information about Facebook marketing. Okay, next bonus is InstaShop. With the help of this plugin, you turn your Instagram account into a shoppable store. You will be able to sell to your customers directly inside of Instagram when they are most engaged in 3 simple steps. Here you can see the 3 simple steps. Okay, next bonus is content repurpose guide. So this video tutorial will show you how to find content easily without creating yourself. So this is a very useful content bonus. Okay, next is guest posting secret. So the guest posting secret is a comprehensive guide on how you can effectively get high quality backlinks from authoritative website and generate evergreen traffic. So if you want to get organic traffic, then you have to create backlinks. Backlinks is the main factor to getting traffic on Google platform. Okay, next bonus is traffic generation resources. Make traffic generation fast and easy with these bonuses. This will include training and strategies that will propel your businesses to the next level. Next bonus is highlight and share. So highlight and share is a software that gives your reader a new easy way to share your best content. So with sharing you will get more engagement, more leads, more sales also. Next is social director. So best Facebook application for lead generation and building a buyer list. Next bonus is hundreds of subscriber weekly. So these valuable tips and tricks will teach you how you can add hundreds of subscribers from various social media platform. Okay, next is social media marketing boost. So in this package you will know all in one social media marketing guide in organic way. So you will be teach how you can generate leads from social media platforms on a free way. My next bonus is FB Video Engager. So this is a tool for displaying Facebook reaction in real time on a Facebook live video voting. So this will increase your engaging from various groups and pages. Okay, next is Twitter viral traffic. So here is the amazing feature built into this Twitter viral traffic content locker. So get and store in your database or user Twitter basic informations. Yeah, your users can upload their email address from a dedicated account pages, ability to post a message on your user Twitter timeline also. Okay, the next bonus is Gram Suites. So it helps put your Instagram account and autopilot, doing the liking and commenting activities for you around the clock, attracting followers to your account even when you are asleep. Next bonus is Go Traffic all the vendor bonuses. So all the vendor bonuses is yours. You have to click on this button to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales pages look like this. Here you can see new plug and play social media traffic app helps you skyrocket engagement, sales and profit. Here you can see some features of it. You have to click on it, unlock instant access to Go Traffic. You can click on it or you can click some of the buttons here to get all of the bonuses and Go Traffic software also. So this is the Neil Napier. He is the creator of this software, 8 figures marketer, online marketer, various satisfied customer he has. Okay, next here you can see how exactly do you leverage social media in your business. All the testimonials and information about this software is here. Okay, so let's get to see the price of the software. Okay, so the front end price is only $37, which is Go Traffic Personal. Here you can see the features of it. You will get 1 workspace, 5 projects, 5 social connections per workspace, schedule unlimited number of media posts, 1 done for you prompt per day, schedule your media post on a need basic, 2 niche, 10 media post templates, image editor, caption, email manager, hashtag manager, analytics, and front end 2, which is Go Traffic Commercial. So in this section, in the sales page, you will get that information side by side. Here you can see the Go Traffic Personal. Here you can see Go Traffic Commercial. So in the front end you didn't get 365 days pre-filled content, but in the commercial section you will get this, and you didn't get a free commercial license. So if you buy Go Traffic Commercial, which is only $47, so you will get this 4 action bonuses here. Training session making 6 figure with Go Traffic, bonus number 2, which is content purpose guide, bonus number 3 is traffic generating resources, bonus number 4 which is highlight and share. So let's get to see the OTO 1. Okay, so OTO 1 is Go Traffic Unlimited yearly, which is $97. With the OTO 1 you get unlimited campaigns, unlimited workspace, unlimited social connection, unlimited post, unlimited content prompt library, future updates, advanced effects in the image editor, 800 FB post templates, 100 plus Twitter post templates, 100 LinkedIn templates, 100 Reddit post templates, 100 Tumblr post templates, automated rescheduling media post with the day set, email notification will be triggered on every media post activity. OTO 2 is Go Traffic Agency and Agency Kit, which is $67. You can read it by pausing the video. OTO 3 is Go Traffic Reseller, which is only $197 for 50 commercial accounts, and 500 commercial accounts you have to give $297. okay, so you will get a 14 days money back guarantee. Here you can see. Okay, so here you can see 14 days money back guarantee also, so you can try it, and if you find it not as you think, then you can return it. Okay, so the software is launched on 25th of March to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can go through this bonus page, the bonus page link in the description. Okay, so this is the actual review of Go Traffic. So I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is Go Traffic and how it's work on your purpose. Okay, so if you find it valuable, then please comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel for next videos. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye bye, see you again.